product creation and BOM creation. So a couple of things I need to highlight when creating a product. Back to inventory and products, and we go create. Just something to be very conscious of when setting this up. Not set up correctly and your operations will be a nightmare, and you'll be pulling your hair out. Please note that a BOM and a menu can never be purchased, right? Because it's a final finished product. Anything that is made up within a BOM, so it's the raw material, the packaging, the labels, any tape, special string or plastics or lids or whatever it may be, that can't be sold because it's required for the BOM and it can only be purchased, right? So a BOM itself, a recipe and a menu cannot be purchased, it can only be sold. The raw material within that BOM, within that recipe and within that menu can be purchased, but then again can't be sold. So it's very important to understand that and to ensure that it gets done and set up correctly. All right, so I've been through how to set up and create a product. I am now going through to set up a BOM. Now the BOMs are set up in manufacturing, obviously because that's where we manufacture them. So we go through to the main menu, open up manufacturing. We go under products and you'll see there your bill of materials. You open up that bill of material and you go and create it. All right. I'm going to create just for the illustration of this menu, I'm going to create a new one. Let's go search more. Okay, so it's not there yet, but I'm going to create a menu 2. So I'm going to go create, and I'm going to call it menu 2. Okay, so again, we can sell it, but we can't purchase this because this is going to be a menu. Okay, it's a storable product. I'm all happy with that. Just for the purpose of this video, I'm going to move on pretty quickly. I'm going to make sure that only goes to finished goods warehouse, and I'm going to stick it in that bin location there. I'm not going to give it a barcode. I'm going to save it. All right, menu 2. Now the components of this menu 2 is going to be multiple recipes, not raw material, multiple recipes. So I'm just going to go and search here. I've only set up, I think, 3 or 4 BOMs here, and I know it's that one there is a recipe, and I know that search more. That's also a recipe, and I'm going to add one more just for shits and giggles, and there's a third one there. Cool. So these quantities and units can be set as they are. We're going to manufacture this product, and we're happy with that. So we're going to save this. All right. So your routing and performance for this particular BOM, you're able to see how you're performing once there's actual specific activity in manufacturing for this menu. Okay, I'm going to just go back in the breadcrumb there, and we go and have a look at our cost and structure. Now you can see your cost and structure for this menu 2 that consists of these 3 recipes. And if we expand this chicken biryani, we then can go and see the physical raw material elements, the product cost and the BOM cost. Right, so it gives you quite a nice breakdown of the cost structure for that BOM. Remembering, guys, you need to set up the product first, which is the raw material, into the BOM. You then need to create the BOM and linking the raw material. And then your second structure of BOMs is your menus, and the menus you will link recipes to the menu. Okay, so just to say that again, your products, raw material, is linked to your recipe BOM. Your menu BOMs, those are made up of a number of recipes. All right.